Hello, my name is Angela Grace, the Modern Goddess, and yes, you must say the whole thing like a tribe called Quest. This is the Philosophies of a Modern Goddess, and today we're going to talk about taxes. All right. I know a few people done clicked off already. Don't nobody want no bad news, I know. But look, either you gonna see them today, or Damon gonna come see you tonight. And you do not want the IRS to come see you. So, bear with me for a few minutes and let me make your IRS experience a little bit easier for the upcoming season, right? First, let's start with the IRS themselves. What do these annoying... well, they want our taxes. Why? Because our taxes pay for our services like public school, healthcare, roads, national defense. Those things cost money. Those are not privatized institutions, and you don't want them to be privatized institutions. So we pay taxes, so we have a say in how they operate, right? And the IRS collects those taxes to pay them bills, right? Mind you, those bills are only so much. So what does the IRS do with all that extra money? Well, they give it back to the Americans. They give it back to the taxpayers, right? How do they do this? Well, with the credits and the deductions. So we as the taxpayer, we have a little bit of obligation ourselves. They are there to take and distribute this money. We are there to pay and then claim the money that they about to give back to us, right? Claim it. Stake your claim. If you don't, they won't give it to you. Then you mad because you didn't pay taxes. But you could really be getting money back this whole time. I promise you can. Bear with me. I'm about to show you. So first you have your deductions. Your deductions affect your taxable income, right? Let's say you made $35,000, right? But you paid $3,500 in taxes, right? Smooth. Then let's say you had about $15,000 in expenses, right? Those expenses are deductions. Those deductions affect your adjusted gross income, which is your new taxable income, right? Because those deductions have taken down your taxable income, i.e. changing your gross to your adjusted gross income, right? So after the deductions, you have credits. Credits can be either refundable or non-refundable. Non-refundable credits will affect your tax liability. However, when it hits zero, I mean, you could carry it over into the next year with some of them. It's a little in depth from there, but that's why you get a person like me to handle that part for you. But anyway, the credits that are refundable, right? The credits that are refundable, once that tax liability is, you now have money coming back towards you, right? That's what the refund is. All the money over what you've already paid plus your deductions and credits, right? So just to give you an example, I'm just giving you some common credits and deductions that taxpayers take advantage of when they meet certain criteria or have certain tax situations, right? Homeowners generally will take advantage of the mortgage interest deduction, right? And what the mortgage interest deduction is a deduction based on all of the interest you've paid on your home. Because when you pay your mortgage, you that monthly payment, some of it goes to the principal and some of it goes to the interest. That interest is a tax deduction, right? An example of a credit would be the child tax credit, where if you have children under 17, the credit can will reduce your taxes and often results in a refund. Another credit to take advantage of in youth for sure is the American Opportunity Credit. And that one right there is for our undergrads that are paying for school, or parents of undergrads that are paying for school. That credit offsets some of the tuition costs accrued from going to college. So that's it and that's all. That's it and that's all. You ain't got to duck and dodge them. They can be your best friend. Like I said, our expenses, our united expenses, are not that much. All of the money that is not paid toward those services and programs comes back to us. But you got to claim what is yours. Hey, be making healthy spending habits. I will talk about that in another video, what those healthy and write-offable purchases and spending habits are. But for today, you got credits, deductions, the IRS's role, and yours. Please do not have them come for you like Damon and Miss Pearly, because I promise you, you're going to be upset. You're going to owe that money, and it's not worth losing your freedom over. My name is Angela Grace, the Modern Goddess, and yes, you must say the whole thing like a Tribe Called Quest. Thank you for joining me today, and I do hope I see you on the next Philosophies of a Modern Goddess.